We're going to the zoo.
Ano tayo? Memory? Okay.
Here at the zoo, Alicia. Hindi ko nadalhan.
Ayun ako doon sa may bison.
There's a bison. Ganda pala dito, be. Like and subscribe. On. Oh, you see that?
Oh, they're moving.
Yeah.
Oh, mommy, look. The bisons are sleeping.
Yeah, and the other one is walking.
Yeah, and those are just sleep. And there's a second one we're walking. Daddy, let's go.
Yeah.
Ayan na sila, nak. Nagpapalayo sila, nak.
Okay.
Tingnan mo, ang ganda ng ano, sungay niya, oh.
You can just get it closer.
Yeah.
Next, meron tayo.
Saan? Oh, let's go. Oo. Wala sa plano eh.
Pero ito, nangangawit ka na?
Ang ganda. So almost 3 years namin dito sa Canada. Ngayon lang kami nakapasok dito sa zoo. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Parang naiinis si Ellie. Sun is out. The weather is good. What is that? What is that?
I think it's an aquarium.
That's the map of the zoo.
Mommy, let's go over there. Let's go over there.
Hmm?
Mommy, the first time to go at the zoo. First time. First time.
What is inside? Oh, big no. Yun. Look at the wolf.
Where?
Ayun na.
Where? Mom.
Eagle ako?
Eagle ba?
Eagle ba?
Hindi yata.
Why are you looking at us?
Ay, parang owl nga siya na itsura. Pero malaki. Look at the wolf. Nag-hide na naman siya, nak. Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yung kangaroo? Hindi ko natanong yun.
Ay, oo nga pala. Yung may parang may bulsa yun
Go
tiyan.
in there, Moon. Let's see what's in there.
Ayan, nak. O, ano yan, nak? What kind of animal? Na, may kambing. Anong tawag niya? Emo? Ah, hindi siya yung umaano yung pet.
Baya tayo.
Wala, tinan mo yung kambing, ang laki. Bakit ganyan kalaki yan? Tinan mo na ko. Oo, ganyan nga.
Huh?
Ay, tinan mo. Look at that.
Well, I cannot see
Sheep.
it.
Ayan o, sheep. Look at their horn. Hmm. Ha? Oo. Ang galing, no? Walang ganyan sa Pilipinas eh. Oh, tinan mo, ang laki. Hindi man yan goat. Buti hindi sila sinusungag ko. Naglilinis lang. Kilala na sila, no? Ang laki, oh. Yan yun siya. Peacock ba to?
Wala no, meron naman nakanan dito.
Hala.
Kasi hindi ko mag-
Hello.
Hi. Gumagalaw siya. Hi. Tignan mo yung pet niya. Ang ganda niya, nak. No, blue na blue.
Mommy, I want to see how they do it like that.
Ay, ayaw man nila.
Bakit?
Ayaw nila.
Hello. Hello.
Peacock yata yan. Peacock. Parang peacock yata.
Mommy, look at that one.
Yeah.
Mommy, ayaw. Bakit?
Si Ellie nga, tahimik lang eh. Uy, natakpan na yung mukha. Walang reklamo lang din siya.
Bakit na natahimik lang?
Siyempre, nag-i-enjoy siya sa paligid din niya.
Kasi he never been. I wonder what is over there, Mommy.
I don't know what is that.
Oh, look, Mommy.
Ay, nandyan na yung aquarium yata, be. Ano yan? You read it.
Be. Baka nandun.
Meron nga, meron. Asan na yun? Hindi, babalik yan. Babalik yan. Ayan, ayan siya. Ayan na. There's a seal. Dalawa yata sila. Ayan yung isa. Oh, ayan, pabalik. Ayun, nagtago dito.
Tayo lang natin.
Mommy, look at the other side. Mommy.
Oo.
Ang kapal mo ito.
Kapal yan. May mga butas-butas pala. Ayan na siya naglalaro. Tatlo sila. Ganda. Tatlo sila.
Picture mo si Ethan, guys.
They kiss Daddy. They kiss. Can I see some pictures?
There's just 3 of them, isn't it?
Oh, look up. Look up.
All together there.
Look up. Wow.
Yan yung daga ng Canada. Rat. It's nothing? Ah, wala. Oh, dali. Dito tayo. Pasok tayo. You try to open it. It's locked. No. It's locked. No. Ano lang? Wala. Oh, she's sleeping. He's sleeping.
Yes, that's
Yeah, nag-sleep siya.
Look at these claws.
I know. Oh.
Look up there.
Anong cross na?
Maliit lang. Maliit lang talaga siya. Ang lawak pala ng zoo na to. Apakalayo.
Topic.
You wear your jacket. Wear your hood. Leopard pala. Leopard. He's like a big cat. Leopard. Kakaiba siya na leopard eh. Pang snow siya. Kasi tinan mo yung kulay niya. Hindi siya brown. Kasi hindi siya brown. Oh, puti. Sabi niya, ang sarap niya ito. Ang dami ko gusto kainin ha. Markhor daw, Markhor. Ang galing ng ano niya, sungay be, oh. Ayan na, tumayo siya. Ano? Di mo din nalamanin mo eh. It's a tiger, Nak. It's a tiger.
You can tell they walk along the fence.
Andoon yung bison eh. Ano, tinan mo be, ang dami talagang klaseng hayop pala.
Ang sarap na lang tumira dito, no? Yung wala na problema.
Ang sarap na lang maging hayop.
No? Ano nag-move yung legs?
Tatakot siya. Mga langaw na kong laki.
Sabi mo, 1, 2, 3, that.
Hello, what's that? There's a bug. A ladybug. You see that? A ladybug.
Shark things, yeah.
Go there. Go there. That's their mom. That's their mom.
And their brother. That.
And those are the babies. Right?
Let's see if he can move.
I don't know. I think they're not.
What is this?
It's a big butterfly. Sabi niya kasi wala daw siyang kinakain, Daddy.
Bag wala ako nagkakain.